it's Megan with WTI, and there's some kitchen tools that I don't reach for super often, but when I need them, I am so glad that they're there. This Helen's Asian Kitchen spider strainer is just one of those tools. This spider strainer is indispensable for those times when I want to scoop out tasty morsels from either boiling water or sizzling oil. The nice long handle of this strainer and the angled design means that I can safely remove these food morsels without getting burned. The metal basket portion may not look like it would be really strong, but it surprisingly is. It's really solidly constructed and weaved together so that even if you happen to bump it or jostle it around in the kitchen, you won't damage it. I have the 5-inch size, and I find this size and the depth of the basket to be perfect for using along with a wide variety of cooking pot sizes. I have found this spider strainer to be perfect for extracting all of my boiled and deep fried treats. And that's my point of view.